Hello, my name is Drew Voreis. I'm with Armacell. I cover the Southeast. I'm their sales and marketing manager. I'm happy here today to be talking about our products. Armacell basically manufactures two types of insulation. We do a light density polyethylene product, seen here. We also have a little bit heavier density, and this is actually a elastomeric foam, extruded elastomeric foam product. So it's much heavier duty, but these are actually two different applications. This product right here, the polyethylene, the lighter one, in some markets people use this to cover refrigerant. We do not recommend that, especially for exterior applications, because this product will degrade over time. The WB paint can be applied to this, but it will not stand up over time, especially not in Florida. This product is for behind the walls interior applications of plumbing pipe. This product right here is our elastomeric foam. It's the rubber foam you see in all the line sets throughout the market. What this product is for is we want to keep moisture off the product. We want to keep the copper tubes above ambient temperature so they're not sweating. So that's the whole key here. We don't want any moisture underneath. We don't want moisture in the lines corroding, because eventually that will cause corrosion under insulation, which is the #1 factor for failing on refrigerant lines. So this product here is great for inside. We've added a product called Microban to it, which makes sure there's no mold or mildew growth on the product. When you go outside though, this product is not intended to go outside and just live it to the life of its product life cycle, because it's just not tough enough. All elastomeric foam, when installed outside, should take additional steps to coat it. Currently, Armacell has a product called WB paint, and you would paint this product that's exposed outside. It's 2 coats, 4 hours apart. So you got to consider labor and the cost of the paint and the time just to be there. It gets kind of expensive when you're just insulating or protecting just a little bit. So you're coming from the unit to the chase, it's just 3 to 4 feet. Armacell said, hey, no more painting, let's think about something better. So we came out with this product called the Shield product. It's available in miniature coils and 6-foot lengths like this. What this product is, we say no more needing to paint. If you paint this, it's going to fall off anyways because it's embossed coating. This product will withstand itself outside and have no deterioration at least for 5 years. At the very least, that's what we warranty it for 5 years. If it's an existing system and you just need to re-insulate the line set there, you would take your non-serrated knife and to cut this product longitudinally. Come back with your 520 glue after you shake and stir it up completely, and 2 light coats on the edge of the wall right there that you just cut. You would wait for that to get tacky, hold it together for 7 seconds, maybe orientate that seam down so there would not be, no water would get in there. And that's as easy as it gets right there. So outside, if you want something, consider labor and your time and all the materials. It's actually cheaper to use the Shield. It's better for the end user. They have a product that's going to last for a long time, so they don't have any of that moisture infiltrating the refrigeration system. Any questions, you can contact me. My name is Drew Voreis again. I'm with Armacell in the Southeast. It's drew.voreis@armacell.com. My phone number is 984-363-5401. Or I'm sure you all are familiar with Leone Green. They're the manufacturer representative in Florida for Armacell, and they're also happy to take any of your questions, as well as any of the Tropic branches. I wanted to thank Tropic for including me. Appreciate the time to come show our products, and a great partner that Tropic is. Thank you. Have a good day.